needs, you have suppressed your feelings, you have suppressed your likings, you have suppressed your dislikings. So whenever I used to see my friends with their parents, कि वो सब कितने खुश हैं, I became a people pleaser.
Namaskar.
Of fear, feeling of loneliness, feeling of emotional negligence. Target therapy for my heart too, because my heart was very strong.
Do you believe that unhealed wounds cause illnesses?
What does it do? Breath work simply releases your stored emotion. Those emotional wounds can come from anywhere. They can always reprogram.
Can you explain कि ये क्या है inner child healing?
If you felt unseen, if you felt unloved, if you felt that emotional negligence. But yes, when you combine them together, they work beautifully on healing.
Namaskar and welcome to Warrior Voices with Sangeeta. Today, our guest is Ms. Shipra Kaushal. She is a stage 3 breast cancer survivor and a healer. She's founder of Healing Together. Many of us carry a traumatic childhood or past, yet we hesitate to speak about it. Today, Shipra works deeply with inner child healing, emotional release, meditation, breath work, and journaling to help people understand themselves and gently shift the patterns that hold them back. Welcome to the podcast, Shipra.
Hi, thank you very much, Sangeeta.
शिप्रा आपने बताया था you had a traumatic childhood. What was happening
Yeah.
within you at that time emotionally? क्या हो रहा था आपके अंदर?
Well, right now, as I am in my 40s, and late 40s, I will say that honestly, I have come a long way leaving behind my childhood, but still, I remember that inside me, at that particular time, there was a mixed feeling. At times, feeling of fear, feeling of loneliness, feeling of emotional negligence. And so I will say that what all I remember, I was a kind of lost child, who was always looking for validation outside, who was always looking for love outside, love into this materialistic world that, okay, someone will come, someone will love me. That what we look towards as a child.
So
So
आपको बेसिकली अनलव्ड फील हो रहा था एज अ चाइल्ड यू आर सेइंग सो ये जो भी आपके इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंसेस थे व्हाटएवर यू
yeah.
वेंट थ्रू हाउ डू यू थिंक इट हैज शेप्ड यू
See, whatever were my emotional experiences, I will say, first of all, at present, I feel gratitude to those emotions, those learning experiences, because because of all those experiences, what I am today, I feel gratitude towards all my learnings and all my lessons. And as a child, I used to feel many emotions at the same time. My dad was never ever available for us. So I will say that I never ever felt that pat of a dad on my back, or those particular words that, okay, I'm proud of you, my child, or he was there standing and hugging me. So I never ever felt that those emotions as a child. So whenever I used to see my friends with their parents, कि वो सब कितने खुश हैं as a family, and they feel so protected, they feel so secured within their family. So many W's used to come into my mind. That why me? Why I'm being into this family where I don't feel emotionally secured, where I don't feel safe. That space, like those emotions, that space, that shaped me into someone that I became overgiving. I became a people pleaser. I felt that if I will overgive, if I'll please everybody, I will earn love. For me, my thoughts became that you have to earn that love. So that seeking validation outside as a child, it was too much. I mean, it was too much for me. I became someone who learned compromising everywhere, who never ever learned to say no. कि no, ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं ये चीज नहीं कर सकती. I never ever learned to say no. So today when I see it with clarity, I feel that those experiences became the foundation of my healing. Those experiences, those emotions, they became, the purpose of my life.
Okay. So do you believe that unhealed wounds cause illnesses?
See, I will not say 100%, but as per my observation, as per my learnings, my experiences, yes, emotions are basically the wounds which you have, which you have never worked upon, which you have only suppressed. You have suppressed your needs, you have suppressed your feelings, you have suppressed your likings, you have suppressed your dislikings. So those emotional wounds 100% will affect. Stress can cause you many health issues.
True,
So
very
yes,
true.
I personally feel.
I believe
Yeah, I
that
personally feel that.
I believe that any trauma can cause illness. I feel I do believe in that.
Yeah, even I feel, but yes, if we talk as per science, there will be many who will not believe into all this,
No, no, I'm sure
who
that
do not
they.
believe into healing.
आजकल तो हर जगह ये चीज बोली जा रही है कि lot of your unhealed wounds become,
Yes.
they come out as your ailments. Can you share a little bit about your cancer journey? I mean, what treatment you had to go through and how difficult
Yeah.
was it for you?
When I was diagnosed, I'm a stage 3 cancer survivor and triple positive. So my main hormones were estrogen, progesterone, and HER2, and everything was very strong. So like as per my oncologist, she told me that my HER2 was very strong. So HER2, they call that particular hormone as a rat. Like the way rat jumps, ये हमारा hormone ऐसे इतना जल्दी multiply होता जाता है. So when I was told about my treatment line that they will start with the chemotherapy and the target therapy for my HER2, because my HER2 was very strong. So I started, like, they gave me a treatment line of 6 chemo and I think 18 target therapies, which was of course a very strong this trastuzumab and progesterone injections. They used to combine it in with the chemo first 6, and after that I used to go after every 21 days once my chemo was also finished. So target therapy, it took 18 months. And then my surgery was done, mastectomy, because my cancer was spread into my lymph nodes and they took out all my lymph node. And then the radiation I got. So that was my
How many
treatment line.
radiations?
Radiations, I think I got 18 or 19, I believe. So every day, except 6 days a week, I used to get.
You work a lot with inner child healing. For someone who does not understand what that
Yeah.
is, can you explain कि ये क्या है inner child healing?
Inner child, inner child is nothing but your little self, which is still there inside you. And I mean, there were so many emotions which were not heard. If you felt unseen, if you felt unloved, if you felt that emotional negligence as a child, I will feel so many things. I would have felt so many things that particular time as a child, जो अभी शायद मुझे याद भी नहीं होगा. But yes, those inner unhealed wounds always come out as your reactions, as immediate reaction to any if anyone is saying you anything and you're immediately reacting to it. So that is not particularly that moment, that is somewhere your inner child. So मुझे लगता है कि yes, inner child is basically your little self who is still asking for that love, for that support, which was not given to you as a child, which you were expecting from your parent. So it's only just to reparent yourself the kind of love, the kind of support you were asking as a child. So you need to give yourself that love as a parent. So you need to give yourself that support, that emotional support, that yes, you are safe, you are being heard.
Yes. So, but then how do you help others with that? You help others with the inner child healing, no? So how do you
Yeah.
help
So
that?
I help them. See, first of all, we need to ask about their history, about their childhood history, right? So childhood history में many of the people will say that they have very good parents, they had good family. But no, आपके inner wounds कभी जरूरी नहीं है कि family से ही आएंगे. There are many other factors. You go to school, maybe there will be some students who will bully you. There will be at times instances जब आपके teacher ही आपको shame करेंगे. They will say you something which will directly affect your emotions. So inner wounds, आपके those emotional wounds can come from anywhere. आपके teenage में आपके कई कई like breakups हो जाते हैं. आपके कई crush होते हैं. So
Yeah,
there will be
I
many.
understand that कि inner wounds होते हैं, पर उसको आप help कैसे करते हो? आपने जो inner child
उसको हम
healing.
ऐसे ही हेल्प कर. Yeah, so like we need to first know what was the
Okay.
root cause.
Okay.
उस समय उस जो कोई भी मेरे, like if you have come to me, you tell me that you have so many anger issues. You're not able to control your emotions. You are not able to control your reactions. Of course, I will go into your past, I will go into your childhood history, or if not childhood, I will ask you about your relationship with your friends, relationship with your neighbors, relationship with your relatives, your immediate relatives, your blood, like I can see your first cousins or anybody. So like the root cause come from there only, where you could not, where you something was forced on you, something happened which you never ever liked, but you were forced to say, like कभी होता है ना, आप इंजीनियर नहीं बनना चाहते, आपके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि नहीं जी आपको तो इंजीनियर बनना है. So that time, as a child, what all you feel, that will come, that will go into you as your unheard wounds only, unheard emotional wounds. So like you have to, you have to be patient. You have to listen thoroughly. You have to you have to, you know, point out everything. You have to tell them to go back into history and what all they felt. So that's how we come into
Okay. So basically,
conclusion that
counseling, you do counseling.
Counseling and listening, learning
Hmm.
that what all has that patient, what all that person has gone through in life. There.
So, do you believe that unhealed wounds cause illnesses?
See, I will not say 100%, but as per my observation, as per my learnings, my experiences, yes, emotions are basically the wounds which you have, which you have never worked upon, which you have only suppressed. You have suppressed your needs, you have suppressed your feelings, you have suppressed your likings, you have suppressed your dislikings. So those emotional wounds 100% will affect. Stress can cause you many health issues.
True,
So
very
yes,
true.
I personally feel.
I believe
Yeah, I
that
personally feel that.
I believe that any trauma can cause illness. I feel I do believe in that.
Yeah, even I feel, but yes, if we talk as per science, there will be many who will not believe into all this,
No, I'm sure
who
that
do not believe into healing.
आजकल तो हर जगह ये चीज बोली जा रही है कि lot of your unhealed wounds become,
Yes.
they come out as your ailments. You also do healing practices like breath work and journaling. So, and meditation also. So, how
Yeah.
does that help in the emotional healing?
Yeah. So you know what? As like journaling, this breath work, meditation, these are all very good tools. When you want someone to heal, these practices help you slow down and connect with yourself.
Mm.
So, breath work, what does it do? Breath work simply releases your stored emotion. Like if you take a long breath and you just inhale and exhale, so it will bring up your stored emotions and you can release those emotions. Journaling is just a reflecting on yourself, and journaling brings clarity to your thoughts. If you are having any emotion right now, and you start writing it, so while only thinking about your emotion, it will not give you that clarity. But when you will write it, it will give you a clarity that what exactly you are going through. And meditation simply helps you observe yourself. And when you meditate, you do not judge yourself, you do not react. So I personally feel that these three things, they help you to process and heal and reconnect with yourself.
So, ये breath work
Yeah.
जो प्राणायाम होता है योगा में सिमिलर है आप जो कराते हैं?
मैं जनरली वैसे गाइडेड ब्रेथ वर्क करवाती हूँ. सो pranayam is also a thing, but generally what I do is kind of inhale, then hold, exhale. And I just tell them to observe what emotions they are getting. If there is any pain, I tell them to see that pain and take your breath there. Do you know, if you have any pain in your body, just try it. I can guarantee you. Just take that breath on that particular point where you have that pain. Inhale, exhale, watch that pain. It will 100% go.
You're talking about breathing. I तो talk to my body. मैं तो बात ही
Same.
करती हूँ
I
अपने
also
बॉडी
do.
से, उससे कहती हूँ.
Same
So
with me.
ये मेरी मेड तो कभी कभी मजाक भी करती है when I'm not well ना, आंटी आपने बात नहीं करी क्या?
Ah,
आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो
it's
आजकल
very
इसलिए.
good. So, that's a very good practice because you
Yeah,
are connecting to your
I
body
talk to my
so
body.
much that your body has become your friend. Yeah. So it's a very good practice.
So
I
you,
also do that
yeah,
at times.
you have also mentioned that you have amalgamated astrology and NLP for healing.
NLP.
Yeah,
Yeah.
NLP.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how does that work?
See, astrology and NLP. I find these two different tools, but yes, when you combine them together, they work beautifully on healing. Astrology is all about your planets, your planet's position. In your when you are born, you have certain planets in your birth chart. So those planets at the time of your birth, they tell you about your personality, your emotional patterns, many other things, your education, your career. NLP is what? NLP is just neuro linguistic programming. So neuro is your thought, linguistic is your language, programming is your mind, your subconscious mind, your patterns. Most of us, we have limited beliefs. All of us have limited beliefs. आपके कुछ beliefs होंगे, मेरे कुछ अपने beliefs होंगे. कई जगह, if I talk about my childhood, I felt so many times that I think I'm not good enough. That's why people don't talk to me. I don't deserve friends. That's why their mothers tell them not to talk to me. मेरे अंदर बचपन में ये बहुत सारी चीजें आती थी. But grew up, I felt that, there was nothing as such that I am not well enough, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve friends. I started believing in myself. So what NLP does, NLP helps you understand your mind, that how it is wired, and how you can always reprogram your thoughts. You can always change that I am not good enough to, I'm very good, I'm good at everything. NLP helps you
Yeah, but
to
astrology और
work on your
NLP को
mind.
कैसे जोड़ा है?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी को मैंने ऐसे जोड़ा है दैट लाइक जनरली I do not ask everybody that tell me your birth time, tell me your. Astrology कभी कभी आपको आपके past lives के बारे में भी बताता है. Like Ketu is all about your past lives, your soul healing. And if we see the D9 chart, Navamsha chart, right? So that chart will tell you about your souls, your karmic relationships. Generally, do you know that your children, your husband, they come to you in a karmic relationship only most of the time. तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में आप उन चीजों को पढ़ सकते हैं. जैसे कहीं अगर कोई आपके पास आता है, she or he is not happy in their relationship. किसी का कोई पैटर्न चल रहा है ऑफ चीटिंग, किसी का कोई पैटर्न है ऑफ बीटिंग. सो तो आपको थोड़ा सा आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी को पढ़ते हो और किसी के अंदर फियर है, तो उन्हीं चीजों को फिर with the help of NLP, I try to reprogram it. I try to rewire it.
For someone who's feeling stuck emotionally or is going through this, difficult challenge, difficult time right now, what do you advise? Where do you think they should begin?
I have one simple word: awareness, attention. Give attention to yourself. I will advise them that they need to sit with themselves. If अगर आपको अभी कोई reaction आता है, तो if you will sit with yourself with your hand on your heart, eyes closed, you will get your answer. कि आप क्या feel कर रहे हैं? Sadness है, गुस्सा है, helplessness है. What exactly? So there you will get your answer.
What does healing mean to you today?
Healing means everything to me now. Sangeeta ji, I think I call this as my life purpose. My only aim is that I want to go within. I want to meet that light within me.
Yes. Thank you, Shipra, for
Thank you
sharing your
so very
journey.
much. Thank you so very much.
Up.
And it's great talking to you.
Yeah, it was really great talking to you. You have been kind enough
Same
to
here.
share your journey so openly and honestly.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So.
To everyone listening, if this resonated with you, pause, listen with it. Seek help if you need to, because help can make a difference. For more such conversations, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share with someone who may need this. Until next time, goodbye, good luck, and God bless.